Want to start selling digital products, but not sure what kind of products will actually make money? Well, in this video, I am revealing the 5 most lucrative niches for selling digital products right now. I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree. MiloTree is the easiest platform for creators to sell digital products and grow their audiences. And here's the thing, because I get to see what our users, our customers, are actually selling behind the scenes, I know exactly what's working right now. So if you want real-time insights like this to grow your business, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I share practical strategies every week to help you make money online with less stress. All right, let's get into it. These 5 niches or niches are where the money is. AI is the secret weapon in 2025. Whether you use tools like ChatGPT or Canva's Magic Studio to build your products faster, or you actually sell AI-powered solutions like prompt packs or guides, AI can either help you or be the product you sell. And I'm going to show you examples of both. The first niche that sells like crazy: money and online business products. So people are constantly searching for ways to make more money. So products that work really well in this niche: an ebook, start a freelance business from scratch, or pricing templates for coaches, or a mini course on passive income. Now, here's that AI twist. I've seen creators make serious income selling AI prompt packs, like 50 ChatGPT prompts to launch your online business. So it's a product that helps people make money using AI. That is a win-win. Okay, next up, the next niche: health, wellness, and self-improvement. This niche taps into identity, transformation, and real pain points. So top sellers in this niche could include meal plans, or a fitness tracker, or mindfulness journals. And here is that AI twist. So you could sell journal prompts for mental clarity, or a meal plan generator using ChatGPT. So AI becomes a tool and this unique selling point. Niche 3. Lifestyle and hobbies, like especially female oriented. So these are fun, feel good products like home organization printables or recipe ebooks, journaling kits. Pinterest drives a lot of sales here, so lean into Pinterest if you sell these kinds of products. And here's an AI twist. Creators are actually now selling AI generated coloring pages, planners, even event planning tools. So you could offer something like AI powered party planning prompts to plan your next party. The 4th niche: education and kids activities. So teachers and parents are always buying tools to make learning easier. Digital products you can offer would be holiday themed activity packs, or preschool printables, coloring pages. And an AI twist here: AI prompt guides for things like lesson planning or generating custom worksheets for their students. So if you're an educator, this is wide open. And now the 5th niche that is selling like crazy: productivity and organization products. So people in our lives, we're all overwhelmed. We want systems that save us time. So could you sell something like time blocking planners, goal setting systems, and the AI twist here: ChatGPT prompts to plan your week or automate your admin tasks? People are definitely willing to pay for solutions that give them back time and, more importantly, sanity. Now, if your wheels are turning, but you're still not sure what you can create, no problem. I've got you covered. Below, there is a link to grab my AI prompt to help you come up with 10 awesome digital products you can sell this week. These are simple, beginner-friendly products, and you can start creating them right now. No tech headaches, no perfectionism required. And yes, you can create and sell your first product using MiloTree totally free. Let's recap the top 5 niches to sell digital products in 2025. 1, money and online business related products. 2, health and self-improvement products. 3, anything to do with lifestyle and hobbies. 4, educational products and products that involve kids. And 5, productivity and organization products. And throughout all of these, AI can either be your creative assistant or your actual product. AI is not going anywhere, and creators who lean into it are building faster, smarter businesses. If you're ready to start, sign up for your free MiloTree account today, and the link is below. And with it, you can sell one digital product, offer a freebie, and install a social media pop-up to grow your followers. We will deliver your digital product and freebie directly to your customer or new subscriber. We give you AI-generated sales pages and opt-in pages. Plus, grab my 2 favorite freebies. Links below. 10 awesome digital products you can launch this week, and AI prompts to write your first ebook. And tell me in a comment, which niche are you diving into first, and what kind of product are you thinking of offering? And I will give you my personal feedback. So stay for my next video where I am sharing how to set up and start selling your first digital product in under 60 minutes.